Which country is nicknamed the Boot?
Italy.
What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Which city is home to the Spanish Steps?
Rome, Italy.
Which ocean is the island of Bermuda in?
Atlantic Ocean.
Canada is a Native American word meaning what?
Big village.
Where would you find the Nazca Lines?
Peru.
Which Greek city was originally built around the Acropolis?
Athens.
Robert E. Peary and Matthew Henson are considered the first to reach what landmark in 1909?
North Pole.
What is the capital of the Australian state of Northern Territory?
Darwin.
Which capital city is on the Han River?
Seoul.